Thutha wa makaya kuma kuri ahuri biacara hamwe na muingi uria wikaraga kaunti-ini ya Naikuru iguru ria mathina ma thitima gukorwo ikiura mahinda kwa mahinda, riu kiriro kiao ni gikinyite matũ-ini ma kambuni ya utambia wa thitima ya Kenya Power na riu ikarira mitaratara ya kung'ethanira na thina uyu.
You have seen that the customers were really complaining about estimated bills, and I know you have been following that. We have said we must make sure that we give accurate readings and we make sure that the customers get charged for what they have consumed.
Kambuni ino ni irikitie kuiga keheri kimanjika gia ciringi birioini imwe na niguo kwarahura weru ceceni cia utambia wa thitima thiini wa kaunti ino iria ikoretwo gwa kahinda igomeirwo ni thina wa kimitambo.
I want to say as a company we have done a lot to make sure that we reduce the power interruptions. I think Naikuru we have spent like 1 billion Kenya shillings to do refurbishment of our substations, our lines, our feeders, the lights which go to the customers, to make sure that we reduce interruptions as much as possible.
Murugamiriri wa ihinda kambuni-ini ino ruhonge-ini rwa utambia wa thitima thiini wa gicigo kia Naikuru, Engineer Joseph Gathuru augite mbeca ici ni irikitie kurekererio kuri ruhonge rwa utambia wa thitima matura-ini na niguo gutigirira micii miingi ni yamukira hinya uyu gugikinyeria mwaka-ini wa 2022.
We are also making sure, you know, the target for the government of Kenya is to have every Kenyan connected to electricity by the year 2022. And we have the last mile connectivity project where the government has given money to Kenya Fire Lighting and also to Rural Electrification Authority so that we go out and we make sure that Kenyans are connected to electricity. So as we come to this open day, so we also educate people on such initiatives so that they are able to be connected.
Gathuru ugite itacokia riri ningi ni riguteithiriria ahuri biacara na niguo gukorwo makiruta mawira mao mateguthinika. Undu uyu ugitanywo kwa ndandura mieke ya mawira gicigo-ini giki.
Recently our head of state also talked so much about the SMEs. The SMEs are the people who are going to drive the economy of Kenya and also to address the unemployment of Kenyans. So actually as a company what we have done, we have created even teams who are addressing the SMEs. So that if there is a problem in an area where we are doing those small businesses, we address them immediately so that we assist Kenyans to make sure that we grow our economy.
Ningi ni arutite mukana muhiu kuri aria makoretwo magikuruhania na ciiko cia uici wa thitima akiuga aria maratwarithia na mbere ciiko ici mari kigeri-ini gia gutongio ihera iritu. Aritie miario ino hindi ya muthi wa kuhingura kigomano gia kambuni ino mwena uyu kiria ningi gikoragwo na monanio ma indo itiganite iria ikoragwo ikihuthira hinya wa thitima. Muigai wa Gathungu, Kameme TV, Wonjoria.